We ran mass spectrometry to map out the entire peptide profile, and what we found was shocking. Endocron contains peptides that other experts would swear are organ-specific. We're talking epitalin, which is widely known as a pineal peptide, and testogen, a peptide classically associated with testicular regulation. Yet both are present in this pituitary extract, and they're not alone. We've identified 42 peptides in total, each under 500 Daltons, perfectly sized for biological signaling. Some are well characterized, others are cryptic, novel fragments never described before in the literature. However, when we put Endocron to the test in the real world, we're already seeing real results. Anecdotal reports are coming in from users across the board, and the early feedback has been extremely positive. A number of users, including myself, have reported two consistent effects after using Endocron: deeper sleep and reduced anxiety. So what's the mechanism? While the improved sleep could be explained in part by the presence of epitalin, a peptide in the pineal gland which regulates the synthesis of melatonin from serotonin and N-acetylserotonin, the anxiolysis typically suggests one thing: an upregulation of GABAergic signaling, the primary inhibitory pathway in the brain. That's one possibility. There are others too, like modulation of melanin-concentrating hormone receptors or even serotonin reuptake inhibition. But with Endocron, the most likely explanation is a boost in growth hormone release from the anterior pituitary. Why does that matter? Because growth hormone doesn't just repair tissue, it remodels your sleep architecture. It deepens slow-wave sleep, the most restorative stage, and it may even enhance REM, where emotional processing and memory integration happen. And I've personally felt this, a feeling of being actually rested, not just knocked out. That effect has shown up again and again across dozens of real-world users, and when you see the same pattern repeated many times, you don't ignore it. A growth hormone contributes to immune function, deep sleep, cardiovascular health, bone density, skin and collagen repair, joint and tendon healing, and improved body composition over time. However, it declines with age, which is why sometimes biohackers use peptides to increase growth hormone release, or they just use growth hormone replacement therapy.